Hello, everybody. Indy meets Disney here. We are so glad you are with us today. We are about to take a tour of a Finding Nemo family suite at the Art of Animation Resort. But before we get started, we just want to share some quick information with you. So this resort is made up of a couple different types of rooms, traditional rooms and family suites. Those traditional rooms usually run between $200 and $350 on the high end, and those family suites usually run between $500 and $850 on the high end. Just wanted to give you a look here at the map of the resort. So if you notice, this is very similar looking to Pop Century. That's because this was actually supposed to be phase 2 of Pop Century, but unfortunately due to some financial situations, Disney was unable to build this at the time that Pop was built, so it went on hold for a while and then later was reopened as Art of Animation. As soon as you enter the lobby of Art of Animation, you're immediately immersed into the world of Disney animation. It is quite an experience to behold, and this continues to the dining room and the gift shop. And this theming continues right on to the pools outside. There are two different room options when staying at Art of Animation. There are traditional rooms and there are family suites. Little Mermaid themed rooms are traditional rooms. Family suites include Cars themed rooms, Lion King themed rooms, and Finding Nemo themed rooms, which we're going to tour one of those in just a second. Alright, we're doing a room tour today. This is for the Art of Animation. We are staying in the Finding Nemo building, and this is for room 4822. So let's head on in and take a look around. So, first thing we come to here is this little table. Got 4 chairs, very nice. But this is also one of our first areas for sleeping. So this is like some of the other rooms that we'll see around like Pop Century and some of the others. So this pulls down into a bed. And it's got a cute little area here with Nemo and his dad, Marlin, taking a nap. So super cute. And it's got some plugins back there that you can access as you need to. And then also here along the side, it's got some storage space. There's also some USB plugins for you to use. We're using this bed on both sides, so that's nice and handy if you happen to be the one using this bed. Some cute artwork over here. Sea turtle. The sea turtle is made up of all kinds of little fishes, so that's cute. So that's right here as soon as we come in through the door. And if we immediately turn around behind me, we come to our first bathroom. And yes, I said our first bathroom here. So we have our vanity. And it's kind of set up kind of like a ship or like a oil rig here, so it's got this number on it, so it's kind of cool. Got some towels down here, sink, towels, got this big nice mirror. This is kind of fun here. Fish are friends on the side here, famous quote from the movie. Got this cool light up here. We step in here, we got our shower and tub. This cool shower curtain. Bruce and his buddies kind of surrounding Dory there. He's kind of not aware of what's going on. Commode and some extra towels and such back there. We come back out here. Turn this way. We got our nice big living room and kitchenette. So here's the kitchenette. We got a mini fridge down here. We have a little storage under the sink. We have some paper towels provided for us. We got a nice deep sink for washing dishes or whatever you might have. A little 1-cup coffee maker with some different coffees and teas that they provided for us. Some sugar, some creamer, and coffee cups and lids. So that's nice if you're a coffee or tea drinker. A little microwave for cooking your food. They also give us some plates, some bowls, some plastic utensils. Very nice. Some cups, and then the ice bucket as well. And this nice here recycling bin, trash, and then your recycling. And then we come over here, and this is a second area for sleeping arrangements. So it's a couch, but this couch also will convert out into the second sleeping area. So this is a pull-out bed. So you just grab that, lift it out, and it will come into another bed. So then we have this lamp, really cool, kind of coral looking lamp. Then we have this other piece of artwork, really neat looking, kind of like a fish, made up of all kinds of little fishes. So really neat. Here, got a really nice view from our room. So over there, all the rooms here are kind of themed. So you can see over there, we're in the Nemo. Right over there is the Cars themed room. And we're actually right by the front desk and the area with the dining area. So that's that building right over there. So we're pretty close. So that's nice. Nemo's kind of the center area, closest location, the preferred rooms, with the swimming pool and close to the Skyliner, because our animation is one of the Skyliner resorts. We have some storage here, so that's nice for the people that are staying in the beds out here in the living room area with that pull down in the couch beds. And we have a nice big TV here displaying information about the resorts for us. And we also have another little storage over here as well. And it's got some pillows in there for us for these beds out here. Some area to hang clothes as well. And then some extra pillows and blankets up there. So they've thought of ways to accommodate large families to stay out here in this location. And now we're going to move into the actual bedroom of this room. So got a nice size queen bed in here, decorated up in that coral and shell look, with storage on both sides and plug-ins on the lamps, so very nice. Also has that nice raised bed, so you put your luggage underneath. Some nice storage over here. Some drawers to put your clothing. Got a little luggage rack. Got a safe to store your valuables. Got some extra pillows and blankets up here. Some areas to hang your clothing. An ironing board. Nice. Got a television in here. Just another look out the window as well. And on this side, it's got another little nightstand with plug-ins. Then move over here to our second bathroom right off the bedroom. So it's nice, so those stay in this bedroom can kind of have their own private bathroom. So the sink is kind of made up that same way with the numbers to kind of look like a ship or oil rig or something like that with the numbers there. There's a blow dryer underneath and a little trash can. And some towels and soap. Some tissue. Kind of want to pull one of these little pull-out makeup mirrors, close-up makeup mirrors here. Another one of those nice large mirrors with the fishes, our friends, along it. A little light. Several towels available. And then this one is not a tub, but just a walk-in shower. So really nice looking shower in here for people to use. So this is a really nice family size room that can accommodate lots and lots of people to stay in here. So you can book this. I think it could sleep like 6 people. And then you also have the access to that kitchenette to prepare meals and save a little cash that way. Like I said, it's a Skyliner resort as well. So you have access to that, to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. So this is a great place you might think about staying if you have a large group coming to stay at Walt Disney World.